going on, guys? Today we got a little mod for the 300 straight off eBay, as y'all can see right here. Made in China. We finna do a little unboxing, get the quality, see what type of quality it is. Y'all gonna see what it is right now. Let's get the opening this all up. I'm excited as hell. The little performance mod. Y'all probably already gonna know what it is by the thumbnail. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Jeez.
little air filter. Let's see the quality. Damn, is he gonna come out? Quality is, real China, but I'm probably gonna end up getting a K&F filter once this one gets dirty. Let's see the metal. Voila. Oh, this boy shining and everything. It's alright. It's gonna look good in the hood. Then it got the little
windshield.
Oh, this is some good quality. Is the finish good quality though? Got a little scuff right there, but hey, y'all get the point. So we finna go ahead, go to the 300, throw this all on there. See what gains I get, see if I see any differences or anything.
You're thinking of making them gains?
Ah, hell yeah. I hope.
You think you're gonna be able to beat me now?
Hell yeah. Alright, so let me go ahead and pop the hood. Man, I better get some gains out this shit. Oh yeah, and I redid my headlights. Get a good shot of the whole car. Whole thing with the fresh, restored headlights. There's times to charm because you already know how they look before. Now they look shiny again. I got something coming for those, but
see, no cracks, no nothing.
But yeah, I got something coming for those, but we're just gonna have to stay tuned for the next video to find out what it is. But here goes the OEM airbox right here. And hopefully the new eBay color intake looks crispy. This bolt right here is gonna come out like that, you feel me? This one just loose by hand. This is out already. We're gonna have to pop off the PCV hose. And then pop off the IAT sensor. Straight like that. And then grab a flathead or something and just twist that off the whole thing. It's pretty simple, like, it's common sense for real. Grab your flathead and check out that crispy keychain. Straight like that. Oh yeah, and you're gonna have to pop the whole sensor out of this hole to put it on that one. Hopefully that goes smooth. That's what I'm worried about for real. And the minute I'm gonna open this up and just see, I'm curious of how dirty the filter is. Or if it even is dirty, because the motor rebuilt, so it shouldn't be that dirty. Alright, shit, let's get started. We're gonna do the sensor last, because this is gonna be a limitation. I'm probably just gonna cut it off, for real, because I ain't gonna use that airbox no more. But this little rubber thing was a little mission to put on. But it straight looks crispy. It looks like a legit intake. You see this little thing? It's supposed to slide in this shit. Damn, cuz. Damn, bro. Gotta force that mode. It looks nice though. Let's see.
So far.
That hoe ain't going nowhere. That boy feels 32. It don't feel like flimsy or nothing. Alright, next piece. Let's see. And I'm probably gonna delete the PCV hose because if you look up close, like get a close-up shot, you can see how much oil on it. Look at that shit. And look at the hose, the old one. It's teared too. It came with another one. I think this is for that. Yeah, I'm gonna have to cut it. But I'm probably just gonna delete it and get a breather filter. For real, for right after this. Oh my god, I think I have to put the on there. I thought I was gonna have to take it off again. I bet. Man, so the camera died, so now we're on the iPhone. But it is what it is. I'm about to start with these hose clamps. Typical hose clamps. It's pretty eBay, but it's right. We go right here. I think, right? Oh, wait. Yeah, this thing.
Yep.
Let me go ahead and put it right there. Damn. Hold up. Wait a minute. This thing films as hell. It's on. Damn! I just exploded on me.
Yeah, he was like, I'm out of here.
It was 10. Shit,
So we got the clamp on.
dude.
Try to tighten it.
Use the strap. With a performance cut.
It's about to gain some 100 gains.
That's a supercharger right here. I thought.
Okay though.
Another one hitting this side. Wait.
Yep.
Hold on. Man, we're gonna have to do this thing again. Gotta let this thing explode. Last time we never shit.
So we'll take care of it once we fix it. Right. If not, if you have to come back, I'll let him know.
And we had to put it to the store. Man, this one already got a 10 rib, bro. That's just stressing me out. We need new sockets and we gotta grab some more shit. Where the 10s at though?
What are you gonna do tomorrow? What are you making tomorrow?
Yeah.
Want it?
Yeah, this is mine. Damn. $20.
Yeah, fuck it.
Little breather filter for the
It looks just like mine.
for the PCV.
Yeah. Should go with the big boy.
Nah, that's for the oil cap.
Yeah.
I'm gonna figure that out later. And then we need to get like a nipple for the intake hole. This is stressing me out because
Should put some levers on the wood. Look at
I
this.
put flames on the side of it
Oh yeah.
and the transformer logo on the back of it so it can look crispy.
Not the bulldog though. Pitbull. I don't know.
Alright, what else we need? Oh, yeah, we need a little nipple for the charge pipe. Alright, so the intake's on, bro. It was a little mission. You can tell it took like 2 hours for no reason. One of the main reasons is because it's eBay. So these hose clamps was a mission. And as you seen in the last clip, we went to AutoZone. We had to get some deep sockets, and with the little the little breather, I just cut a piece of the hose off right here. I got a Spectre fitting for the middle, and I just stuck the filter on the end, and then I got this little block off right here. So it's a full delete, and then what else was I gonna say? This piece right here, cheap as hell. Like, to be honest with you, I probably wouldn't get another eBay intake, but for right now, I ain't even tripping.
Let me get that one shot.
It's crispy. It looks nice too.
Yeah.
And this is a 6.1 throttle body. I mean, I don't know if it's different, but it got it. I've been to that, but I'm just letting y'all know so I can, be up to speed. And the car had left me stranded. Let me tell you a little story. I was just driving. I stopped at Advanced Auto, and the car didn't want to turn on again. After that, that's the story. So I got a whole new alternator, and I think my water pump's starting to go out. Cause if you look right here, there's a antifreeze on it, but I don't even know yet. Hopefully it don't do nothing. But hey, this the first startup. I'm gonna put a little clip in right here of how it sounded before.
Go.
But here's the first startup. You'll see the gains.
Make sure there's no lights on.
Nah, the lights are on because of some other shit. I just hope it don't run funny.
We're gonna wait for it to warm up a bit first. And make sure everything's tight.
It started up just fine. It's not running funny, but yeah, we just gonna let the car get up to operating temps, and then we're gonna, do some res.
Go.
Keep recording.
How you like it?
Bro, you can hear that shit, can't you? It's like,
Yeah, that's more loud
you
than
get a turbo
before.
on my shit. Gosh,
Yeah,
it sounds nice though.
yeah.
For the price I got it for, and I only spent like I would say like 30 some more dollars on the breather and the what's it called, the block off. For like around $90, you could get the setup right here. And like, it's a good little setup. I'm happy with it for real. Yeah, it's, this is fair to spend a little bit more cheese for real, but we're just gonna, let it warm up fully. Might probably go do a little pull or something, and then we'll get back to y'all.
Yeah, this is like what, 100 horsepower gain?
Yeah. This just got 800 horsepower. Supercharger.
Yeah, it's the first mod so far.
Alright, so we just put up to Mexico so I could do a little pull for y'all, but hey, come do a little walk around right quick. I'm proud of this car, how far it's come so far. It's not even nowhere near where I wanted it at. But hey, I ain't even gonna cap. On the way here, it sounds crazy. Like it's like it sounds way deeper. Y'all gonna hear it. Hopefully I can hear it when I do a pull.
Yeah.
Alright, y'all, so it's the next day. Let me know what y'all think of the intake. I'm happy with it. I mean, I would say I would recommend it for Hemi because, you know, it's not K&N prices. It's pretty cheap and it do the same thing. And I could feel like a slight power difference. Like the power band is like there. Like it don't lag as much as I used to. But and it look nice too. Got the little breather filter. I would also recommend this instead of putting the hose. You know, just better for the oil spillage or whatever. But I got more mods on the way for this. I got some mods. Well, I got one mod in the house already. That's probably gonna be on the next video. It's some slight, but my brother made a mistake in the SRT. Let me see if you want to talk about it. You want to tell him what you did?
Oh, I think I put the wrong gas accidentally. So like it's been running rough. So
Yeah.
we're trying to swap the gas, but I'm trying to figure out how.
Yeah, we might have to drop the tank, but hell no, it's too hot for all that right now.
Yeah, I'm trying to find tips online, see.
And it sucks because the tank's on the bottom, like
In the middle right there.
Like this shit is right here. But yeah, it's right here. This whole thing, see, mine's like on the trunk, right under the trunk. Yeah, and it sucks because it's tuned for 93. So like the bad gas, it made it ride rough as hell. But yeah, we're gonna figure it out. We're not gonna drive it. But yeah, let me know what y'all think of the intake. I'm happy with it. More mods on the way. Stay tuned. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.